Welcome. Today we are going to see how many CAD software should we learn? Difference between CAD engineer and a design engineer? And steps to choose the right software. Let's begin. We are talking here about CAD software, that is, about CATIA, UGNX, Creo, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, etc. We see the scenario that lots of mechanical candidates are getting passed out every year with the dream of becoming a design engineer in a reputed organization. And for that, they go and join a training center and start learning a number of CAD software with the hope that, by learning several software, they will get several job opportunities. But is this the right way to become a design engineer or get a job as a design engineer in a reputed organization? The answer is no. Because it is the biggest myth. This is not the right successful way to become a design engineer. Why? Because lots of mechanical candidates have already learned a number of software and not having a job in the field of design field. So why is it? Why did this happen? There is a valid reason with valid proof. Let's move toward the truth. The truth is that learning a number of CAD software will not help you to get your dream job. Only a specialization in particular software, considering your dream company, will help you get your dream job in your dream company. And to become a design engineer, your specialization includes specialized software knowledge plus specialized domain knowledge, that is, by working on which type of material parts or body you want to build your career, such as plastic product design, BIW product design, fixture design, press tool design, mold design, etc. ISOPARA always recommend to every candidate who wants to become a design engineer is to go for one software learning only, with one domain knowledge. So now, how to decide which software we should choose with a proper domain, and what are steps to choose it, this all we are going to see in detail in this video. But before that, it is important that you should know about the difference between CAD engineer and design engineer. Let's begin. The first point is, CAD software knowledge is sufficient to become a CAD engineer. Means, if you learn only one CAD software in depth, then you can become a CAD engineer. But here is a difference, that is, CAD software knowledge plus domain knowledge is required to become a design engineer. Means, if you learn one CAD software with one domain knowledge, then you can become a design engineer. The second point is, CAD engineer works on CAD software and is responsible for 2D to 3D modeling, 3D to 2D drafting, CAD data modification, data management, and PPT creation and documentation. Here, only CAD software related responsibilities are there. While here, a design engineer works on CAD software with domain knowledge and is responsible for CAD engineer responsibilities, manufacturing processes and selection, material properties and selection, design guidelines, digital mock-up DMU study, safety regulations, design for manufacturing and assembly, tolerance stack-up, manufacturing defects and solution, and benchmarking. Here, CAD software-related plus domain-related responsibilities are there. Next is, limited growth as a CAD engineer is present in the industries. Why? A number of growth opportunities as a design engineer are present in the industries. Next is, limited job opportunities are available. Why? Lots of job opportunities are available. And the last is, CAD engineer can become a design engineer by enhancing his knowledge of domain skills. Why? CAD engineer is one of the responsibilities of a design engineer. With this difference between a CAD engineer and a design engineer, we can understand what the essentials are required to become a design engineer. Now, let's move toward our next point is that, which software should we learn? What are the steps? So here is step 1, that is, the dream industry to work in. So first decide what is your dream industry or the type of industry you want to work in, such as automotive, aerospace or aviation, manufacturing, automation, defense, marine, etc. Once you complete step 1, then there is the next step, which is step 2, that is, the domain you want to work on. So now choose which domain you want to work on and want to make your career. Choose a domain you are interested in, such as plastic product design, BIW product design, press tool design, mold design, fixture design, etc. Now the last step is step 3, that is, software used in that domain by that industry. Here you have to understand which software is being used by your selected industry type in your chosen domain, such as CATIA, UGNX, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Fusion 360, Solid Edge, etc. Hence, these 3 steps help you in choosing the right CAD software to learn. Now, let's take an example. Select your dream industry, that is, step 1. Let's consider your dream industry is the automotive industry. Now, choose a domain, that is, step 2. Let's consider this as you want to make a career in the plastic product design domain. Now, the last is the software used, that is, CATIA and UGNX. Hence, you found that which software is used in that domain in that industry type. Hence, choose only one software and start your learning with the domain knowledge. This is how you can able to achieve your dream job of becoming a design engineer in a reputed industry. ISOPARA has a number of courses available on their website. Also, to discuss more about queries or for guidance, you can contact ISOPARA. Thank you.